Hello, welcome to CPW World. This is Nilima from Connect People World. Today we are meeting to J. Sundar Sitaram from E Square Infotech and Language Academy. Come and know more about his journey as a successful entrepreneur. We are glad to meet Mr. Sundar Sitaram from E Square Infotech, and we are going to know his journey of the business, and we are going to get motivated with him. So we want to know about your journey, like how you started, which year you started this one.
Hi ma'am, actually I have started my career in 2004 December as a software programmer. Till 2004 to 2013 I have worked as a software developer, team lead and project lead. Then I have quit my job and I have started this business with support of my brother and my wife. And we have started this on 2013 September as a software development company. And so 2013 to 2014 we have run as a development firm. After that we have started in training also. E Square Infotech, we will provide the training for ASP.NET, C Sharp, Android, Python, Java, MS SQL, C++, data structures, PHP, Laravel, so on. So from 2014 to till the time we have grow like as per the latest trends we have grown into the software training also, and we will provide the real time trainings and real time practicals, and our faculty is from most of the faculty from MNCs only.
Okay.
So they are having real time experience. They will share their experiences to students, and they will train them latest trends also.
Okay. So when you started, what kind of a challenges you saw, like in 2013? And
Ma'am, initially I have invested some amount, yes, to start this firm. So after that we have problem with getting funds in monthly basis. Actually we have initially 3 employees only, me, myself and 2 other employees, and I am into marketing for getting the projects, and 2 other employees is working for the coding and developing the part actually.
okay.
So that time actually I need to manage the salaries, rent and other things. So that time we will get small amounts, and we will getting projects also. Every 3-4 months we are getting 1 or 2 projects, and we got financial crunch. So that time we are very tough to work this thing.
Tough to.
Right. So after starting this training part, we are getting generated funds from E Square Infotech as a training. Then we are balanced to manage the development firm as well as training.
Okay. So who was the founder of Language Academy?
Uh, you can say my wife is the main into language, because initially we don't have any good communication skills in English. So we thought we will learn, and our mother tongue influence is more when we are speaking to English.
That is for everyone.
Everyone. So that time we thought, if we want to discuss with anything related to project, we need to communicate in English only.
Right.
And even emails also we have to write in basic. Whenever I have started that career, that time I am facing these problems. Later on it got solved, but I thought we have to increase our communication skills. So we thought we will start with English, then we'll move on. So initially we want to start by English, but nobody searching for English.
Right.
Everybody looking to IELTS, GRE, TOEFL, then German, French like. So we thought better we go to German, French only. Then we have started German, French. Afterwards we have again added French, Japanese, Spanish, GRE, TOEFL also.
Foreign language
Foreign
only you
language.
started covering.
Right.
Okay. So which kind of a software mainly you focus on, like in training program?
Ma'am, actually ASP.NET, C++, Java, these are all basic things to learn for a software programmer.
Okay.
So every engineering student or any career who wants to pursue in software development.
Okay.
So those people mainly learn C++ is the mother language actually. So
Okay.
so everybody needs to know C++, Java, ASP.NET respective to their career.
Okay.
But we will train up C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, Laravel, Android, ASP.NET, and iOS also.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what difference you find in a corporate job and doing a business? Like, what is the difference? What you find?
Ma'am, in corporate world, we don't have time to. We have to sit all night sometimes. Okay, and we are having some scary of. When we will get rid of that company, and even the recession more. Mainly we have started this because of recession only.
Okay.
So
In
2009 to 2011, there is big
recession was there. Yeah.
was
Right.
there. So we thought better we will start in software development. So I
Okay.
quit that time my job and we have focused into BSFA domain only.
Okay.
So that is into mutual funds back office system.
Okay. So that made you shift the from corporate job to business. So, to whom you attribute this success?
Ma'am, I will success. Behind this success, I'm having my brother, my wife, my employees, and even my clients also. Okay, clients like ONGC and system concerned banks from IDBA. They are two trusts mainly, SASF, ERSF, and other than this, we are having mutual fund back office. Clients also. We have developed good portal mfunds.com.
Okay.
And we are having other 2-3 websites, and we are into allpanditji.com also actually.
Okay. Your new product which is coming up
Already it's
in the market.
Okay. So we are serving across the India priest.
Okay.
So those who needs for their rituals, so we will provide the panditji for this.
Okay.
Across the India.
Across India, right?
India.
Okay. So that is your new project.
New project.
Of 2020.
Yeah, 2020.
Yeah. So, what is your vision to take this company to after 10 years, or you want to see yourself?
See, people wants to recognize me. That is the main motto, and we want to. Currently we are in only Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
So we want to go all over India. We want to global.
Okay.
So we want to E-Square in global, like in Delhi, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. So we are trying to explore ourselves, and let us see what happens. So we are trying to give our best.
Okay.
So we are focusing on that also.
Okay.
हेलो, मेरा नाम सोनल पवार है। मैं यहाँ पे पहले लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए आई थी .NET। फिर उसके बाद मैंने अभी 6 मंथ से मैं यहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप कर रही हूँ और यहाँ का स्टाफ बहुत ही सपोर्टिव है और मैं अभी यहाँ पे लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम कर रही हूँ जो मुझे फ्यूचर में बहुत यूज़फुल हो सकता है।
हाय, मेरा नाम गणेश है। मैं लास्ट ईयर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट हूँ। मैंने यहाँ से कुछ कोर्सेज कंप्लीट किए हैं सिंस फ्रॉम माय कंप्लीट इंजीनियरिंग और अभी मैं वेब डिज़ाइनिंग सीख रहा हूँ और मैं वेब डिज़ाइनिंग सीखते सीखते यहाँ पे कुछ जो लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं उस पर भी काम कर लेता हूँ और यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर जो है वेरी फ्रेंडली है। फैकल्टीज़ हैं वो बहुत अच्छे से सब सिखाते हैं।
What is your mantra for new business entrepreneur you want to share?
मैं लोगों को एंटरप्रेनर्स को या न्यू अपकमिंग जनरेशन को मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ, हमेशा हार्नेस से काम करो, रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लो, कमिट करो। मतलब आपका नॉलेज जो है आप शेयर करो। जब आप नॉलेज शेयर करते हो तब आपका नॉलेज डबल होता है। मतलब जब तक आप नॉलेज शेयर नहीं करते नॉलेज कभी भी इंक्रीज़ नहीं होता है। आपका नॉलेज आपके पास रहेगा, सामने वाले को कैसे पता पड़ेगा आपके पास नॉलेज है। सपोज आप अगर गोल्ड समझ लीजिए, गोल्ड का जो एक ऑर्नामेंट है अंटिल एंड अनलेस आपका गले में नहीं रहता है तब तक उसका वैल्यू लोगों को पता नहीं पड़ता है। अगर आप घर में इस गोल्ड को रखेंगे वो तो उसमें रस्ट आके वो वैसे ही ख़राब होते जाएगा। तो सेम नॉलेज भी वैसे है। नॉलेज अगर आपका दिमाग में है तो सामने वाले को जब तक आप शेयर नहीं करते तब तक आपको सीखने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा। इसके लिए मैं एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ। लॉन्ग बैक एक साइंटिस्ट था, वो साइंटिस्ट ने बहुत मेहनत से एक हेल्थ रिलेटेड एक इश्यू को उन्होंने सॉल्व करने में बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किया। उन्होंने 25 ईयर्स बहुत मेहनत करके उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया। उन्होंने ये सोचा कि मैंने जब सक्सेस करूँगा उसके बाद मैं डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बनाऊँगा और ये मेरा नॉलेज जो है लोगों को शेयर करूँगा। तो वो करते 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 उनका 25 ईयर्स निकल गया। उसके बाद उन्होंने सक्सेस लिया, बट सक्सेस लेने के बाद वो उनका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पेपर वर्क स्टार्ट किया तब तक वो एक्सपायर हो गया। तो अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, उनका 25 ईयर्स का टाइम एंड उनका नॉलेज जो भी है वो बिकॉज ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन नॉलेज शेयर नहीं किया, इसके वजह से वो पूरा का पूरा ज़ीरो हो गया। तो अनटिल एंड अनलेस आप लोगों को आपका नॉलेज शेयर नहीं करते हैं तो आपको नॉलेज है करके लोग भी कैसे बिलीव करेंगे, आपको भी सीखने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा। मेरा मेन ये मोटो है कि आप नॉलेज शेयर करो और सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, लोगों से सीख सकते हैं। आप जब किसी से कोई चीज़ के लिए डिस्कस करेंगे तब आपको भी सीखने के लिए मिलेगा और सामने वाला को भी आपको क्या नॉलेज है क्या नहीं समझ में आएगा। एंड आप कोई भी चीज़ कमिट करते हो उसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से ऑनेस्टली निभाते हो, तब आपका सक्सेस आपके पीछे ही आते रहे।